ka Royal School of Fashion Design and Technology jong ka Assam Royal Global University kala penlong ya ka jingyalang redeemed of the looms Fashion Handloom and Textile Conclave ha Guwahati kani ka jingyalang la rakhe ya ka jingno senyang ki ba phla ki ba khrau jong ki kynthei nong than bat ki designer nakaleng ka than chetela mingi na pedeng ki baya don lang ki long ka Patricia Mukhem kabalayo ya ka khusnam Padma Shri bat ka editor jong ka kot khubor de shilong time ringkat bat ka textile ka revivalist Jasmina Zeliang lembat ki weipat ki riu pau khamat